Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JDST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day, and the majority of it was selling. So it's a very interesting, though, chart going forward. But before I get to, in my mind at least, the most interesting part, want to first focus on the initial area of resistance that will need to be kept an eye on if there is any sort of bounce. So let's get this to red for resistance, and that's right here at $9.35. You can see that, yeah, there was this big downwards movement here, but then the price did try to show some signs of strength and did very temporarily, but that's where it ran out of steam, it being the price upward, or the upwards price movement at $9.35 before rolling back over. So if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, then right there at $9.35 is going to be that first key level that you'll want to keep an eye on. Now, for the very interesting part, and I should note that this is not some sort of great discovery on my part or anything like that. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching the same thing and wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same areas and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements. So what we have here is the daily time frame. And then looking there, you can see that the price is sitting right here essentially. Now, given it's slightly below, but the thing with supports and resistance levels is they're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. But this low from back here in early January was at $9.12. And you can see that, so we have that low right there. And then you look at the chart here, and the price is sitting right at this area of support. And last time it was down there, a very nice bounce to the upside. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying, and I wish I could say trading was this easy, but just because it bounced last time does not mean for sure guaranteed it's going to bounce back upwards again. But it's at least a valid and rational thought to have to think, hey, you know what? Maybe there's going to be some sort of bounce back to the upside since it's done it before. So a whole lot of people, like I said, have taken notice of this dynamic, and self-fulfilling prophecy or not, whatever you want to call it, it'll be very interesting to see if this can get some sort of bounce back to the upside. So the week is young, still 3 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.